Sir, may we know the official palace reaction to the newest incident in the Scarborough Shoal, the Green Aura incident, sir? The alleged harassment of the Green Aura, sir.
Are you referring to the captain of that ship?
Yes, sir.
I understand from Foreign Secretary Locsin, it's not the Filipino ship. It's a foreign vessel, only manned by a Filipino captain.
Yes, it's a Liberian ship, sir.
Yes.
With the Philippines. But sir, Secretary Lorenzana said in a statement that, wait lang, sir. Said in a statement that the Chinese government must respect international maritime laws if it wants to earn the respect of the international community. Do you agree with his statement, sir?
I agree. And I think China should agree.
Okay.
Because China itself says that we should respect international law.
Okay. So since this incident is not considered as an affront to the country's sovereignty, we will not file a diplomatic protest in this incident.
In a way, it does not concern us because it's not a Philippine vessel.
Okay. So that has been verified, sir, a final statement from the national government that it's not something, it's not an insult to the country's sovereignty.
Well, it's not a Philippine vessel.